Yo, what is up YouTube? Killer Cam, back on my dad's bike, the Kawasaki Vulcan 650S, aka Jelly Bean, and I was just working on my Victory gunner, and I got pretty aggravated, so I let her at a standstill, rode the R6 yesterday, and just wanted to go for a little cruise, and I haven't been on this bike in a minute, so this is what I took out. I come with bad news though. A production plant for Harley Davidson in Kansas City is shutting down, and it's all your fault. 800 people are losing their jobs of making beautiful motorcycles because you keep listening to your wife and not buying the Street Glide you've always wanted. But on a real note, I really don't understand why people aren't buying motorcycles anymore. Is it because cars and trucks are so popular now, or they're getting so built correctly that they're lasting longer, or are we getting softer as human beings? We're scared to get on motorcycles now? Is that what we're taught? Leave it down in the comments what you think the problem is, but I honestly don't know why Harley Davidsons aren't selling anymore. Could it be, and I might get roasted for this idea, could it be that people are finally realizing that there's cheaper options out there? Or is it just people hate motorcycles now? Leave it down in the comments what you think. This is gonna be interesting. I'm not hating on Harley Davidson at all. I honestly feel bad for those 800 people and the families that that's gonna affect. I honestly love Harley Davidsons. Just the look, I just don't like the price. I'm 22 years old, I honestly can't afford the Fat Bob that I rode. I'm gonna leave the card to that video right here if you want to check it out. The Fat Bob that I really enjoyed and rode, how smooth it was, and just the sound and the looks of it. I think you get what you pay for, but for $22,000 for a motorcycle that can get knocked over by someone else, not even your fault. I know there's insurance and everything, blah, 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 I understand that. I'm just saying $22,000 for a motorcycle, no one at my age is getting a bike like that. So for you older guys out there, tell your wife you need a Street Glide, go save Harley Davidson, and tell your wife Kansas City needs your help. Because honestly, I'm sad. It could have been a Yamaha dealership or a Kawasaki dealership, but the fact that it's an American-made dealership and they're closing down because Americans won't go buy their cruisers, that's absurd to me. Believe me, I want my dad to be on a Harley Davidson Street Glide as opposed to a Kawasaki Vulcan 650, but he's still learning, and this bike is a third, almost a fourth of the price of those bikes. So that's just crazy, man. I just read that today, so I thought I'd make a video on it, and I really wanted to go ride. It would have been a better video on the gunner. You guys wouldn't judge me as hard probably for being on a 650. This bike's great though. For those of you that are new or have never seen a video of mine, I'm Killer Cam, and this is a Kawasaki Vulcan 650. Know anyone just looking for a starter bike, wanting to learn to jump on a cruiser, I recommend this one all day over the Harley Davidson Iron 883. I'll just say that one out loud. My buddy has an 883 with Vance and Hines on it, and that thing at an idle sounds phenomenal. You're never going to beat Harley Davidson sound, that's proven. But I'm just upset that happened. Leave it down in the comments what you guys think about it. I'm not trying to start up a little riot or rivalry or anything. I just feel bad for those people. On the bright side, I don't see a cloud in sight, so there's no excuse for me not to be out here riding the little Jelly Bean. These sparkles are out today. I don't think they're failing because there's other cruiser options out there. I don't think that's it though. I don't think Indian and Victory did enough to really hurt Harley Davidson that bad. You know what I'm saying? Because yes, it's the cheaper option, but you have Harley Davidson has so much history from it. Yes, I know Indian was first, but Harley Davidson itself has so much history behind it. My grandfather had one, my uncle had one. Like, it just runs down the line, so I don't understand why people aren't buying them anymore. I'm about to go jump on that Harley Davidson stock when they come back up. They're gonna open 2 more plants when they make their Killer Cam bobber. It would just be like the fattest motor on the lightest frame that can be flickable in turns. Killer Cam Bobber coming soon, 2020. I think Harley will make a comeback though. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Maybe they just, their promotion wasn't there at all because they just assumed everyone by now knew what a Harley Davidson was. Maybe they got to go to a little bit of a younger crowd. I think that's what they need to do. Instead of an 883, which is your starter Harley Davidson, that's what I'm going to call it. I think they need to make something a little more cost efficient for younger riders to really get them back into that brand. I think that would be very helpful for them. Because I want Harley Davidson to survive. You got to be kidding me. A world without Harley Davidson? I don't want to be in that one. See if I have enough room for a David 100 here. I have to do it. Oh, this is going to be a close one. Just in time. Oh man. Little Jelly Bean can move. Don't be surprised. Comfortable too. I just talk about this bike. I need to be a salesman for Kawasaki. Kawasaki, you're welcome. Alright, well I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you're newer, make sure you hit that red button for your boy. I'm Killer Cam. I do videos on this bike, the Vulcan 650 obviously, my Victory Gunner, and the Yamaha R6. You guys go enjoy the rest of your day. I wasn't trying to stir the pot by any means for any Harley Davidson fans. I'm just trying to talk the truth. I feel bad for those people. Let's get Harley coming back again.